Hey guys, this is Miss Denton. I wanted to show you all how to insert your pictures right here in your locker and how you can also remove the background. If you look at my example, all of my pictures are just kind of solo floating there. They don't have a background on them. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to Google and you will type in free, and then you will type in whatever you're looking for. For example, I'm looking for a Texas A&M emblem. And then I want to put on transparent background, okay? So that I know that there's really no background there. But when I go to these images, they still will have a white image on them sometimes. So even though this says transparent, and you can see right here, it has the checkered board on the back, which typically means transparent. Sometimes those still transfer into our Google slide. So we want to make sure that we remove those. So to do so, I'm going to click this. I'm going to save image as, and I'm going to put it in my pictures over here. And I'm going to put just emblem, something short, something you'll remember it by, because you're going to need the name of it in just a second. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to remove.bg.com, and I'll post the link in the directions. You're going to select upload image. And I'm going to go back to my pictures, and I'm going to type in right here in the search emblem, because I know I just named it that, and I'm going to hit open. You're going to watch the magic happen. Now it's on a for sure transparent background. I'm going to go ahead and hit download. If you notice, it opens up in the bottom of my screen. I'm going to go to open, and I'm going to wait for it to open. And this can take a minute depending on your connection. And as you can see, our connection's a little slow today. Okay, so then you're going to go to the three dots right here, and I'm going to save this again. So I'm going to go save as, and I'm just going to type in the same name that I already used, and it's going to come up right here. I'm going to click it. Now when I save this, it's going to tell me I already have that file. I do want to replace it because I don't want to have a whole bunch of the same thing on here. So I've replaced it. Okay, so now you're going to go back to your Google slide. You're going to go insert. You're going to say image and upload from your computer. At this point, I'm going to type in emblem because that's the fastest way, because as you can see, I have a whole bunch of pictures on here, and it's going to upload it, and you can tell it's a transparent background. Now I can resize it. That way it fits in my locker just so. Okay, so again, this is for you to upload your images. If you have any questions, let me know, guys.